Cats are quiet, thoughtful souls. They don't demand much, but they do have quiet hopes. Little things you might overlook that bring them peace, joy, and a sense of belonging. The truth is, their favorite moments with you are often the simplest ones. So, today, let's slow down and uncover the gentle wishes your cat secretly holds close. These are the things they don't ask for, but truly appreciate when you notice. Number 1. Give them time to quietly observe the world. Your cat may not ask for much, but they crave calm time to sit and just watch. Whether it's from a window perch, a shelf, or a corner of the couch, this peaceful observation is more than daydreaming. It's actually essential for their mental stimulation and emotional regulation. By observing the birds outside, people walking by, or even leaves rustling in the wind, your cat is connecting with the natural rhythms of the world around them. It's how they stay mentally sharp, feel safe, and connect to their surroundings. It helps them feel in control of their environment, which lowers stress levels and promotes calm behavior. So the next time your cat is perched in silence, let them be. Maybe even sit nearby in silence too. Just being with them, without expectations, speaks volumes in cat language. That shared quiet time tells your cat, "I'm here and I respect your peace." Number 2, let them win during play sessions. Playtime isn't just about chasing toys, it's about confidence. In the wild, every stalk, pounce, and catch is a survival skill. So when you play with your cat, you're tapping into their natural hunting instincts. If your cat is always chasing but never catching, it can leave them feeling frustrated or uninterested. The fun fades quickly when there's no payoff. So, let them win. Let them catch the feather toy or grab that little mouse. Pause the movement. Celebrate those victories by giving them a treat, some praise, or simply a quiet moment to savor their prey. It makes your cat feel successful, strong, and proud of their hunting skills. You're not just playing, you're reinforcing their confidence and helping them feel competent and content. This simple gesture goes a long way in building trust and creating a positive emotional loop around play. Number 3, rotate toys regularly, even if they still look new. Cats are curious, intelligent creatures, but they also get bored easily. Even their favorite toys lose excitement after a while. That's why rotating their toys is a game changer. Think of it like rotating books or movies. Even if you love a story, watching it too many times in a row can make it lose its magic. Put a few toys away in a drawer or basket and bring them back in a week or two. Suddenly, it feels like a brand new treasure. Your cat will approach it with fresh interest and excitement. This keeps playtime stimulating and encourages your cat to stay active, curious, and mentally sharp. It's a simple way to enrich their environment without constantly buying new things. Think of it as giving your cat a little surprise gift over and over again, with zero shopping required. Number 4, play when your cat is ready, not just when you are. We all get busy, and sometimes we try to squeeze in playtime on our schedule. But here's a secret. Your cat has a rhythm too. They're crepuscular animals, which means they're most active at dawn and dusk. You might notice them zooming through the house in the early morning or bouncing off furniture in the evening. That's your cue. Tuning into their natural play windows makes the experience more enjoyable for both of you. Instead of forcing it, you're responding to their energy, and that shows them you're paying attention. By honoring their rhythm, you show respect for their needs and deepen your emotional bond. It's not just playtime, it's trust, built on your willingness to meet them where they are. Number 5, gently massage around their cheeks, not just their head. Yes, head scratches are great, but there's a sweet spot many cat parents overlook: the cheeks. Right around the whiskers and jawline, Cats have scent glands. When you gently rub that area, it's like a kitty spa day and a meaningful bonding ritual. It helps them relax, releases feel-good chemicals, and even better, they're marking you with their scent. That's a huge compliment in cat language. It means you belong to me. Massaging these areas not only comforts them, but makes them feel safe and loved. Try using slow, circular motions and pay attention to how your cat responds. So, slow down during your petting sessions and give those cheeks some love. Your cat will absolutely melt and start seeking you out more often for this special connection. Number 6, create vertical spaces to climb. In the wild, cats climb trees to survey their territory and feel safe from potential threats. At home, vertical spaces serve the same purpose. It gives your cat a place to retreat, observe, and feel like they're in charge of their environment. You can recreate that feeling with cat trees, wall-mounted shelves, or window hammocks. Even a tall dresser or cleared-off bookshelf can become their personal sky lounge. The higher they climb, the more confident and secure they feel. It satisfies their instinctual need to observe from above and adds a layer of environmental enrichment that's crucial to their happiness. To your cat, it's not just furniture, it's a sanctuary, a space that's theirs, where they can breathe easy and just be a cat. Number 7, keep the litter box spotless at all times. Imagine going to a public bathroom that hasn't been cleaned for days. Gross, right? That's how your cat feels when their litter box isn't spotless. They are incredibly clean animals, and a dirty litter box can cause serious stress, health issues, or even lead to unwanted accidents around the house. Scoop at least once a day, more if you have multiple cats, and replace the litter regularly. Also, clean the box itself with unscented soap and warm water every couple of weeks. Place it in a quiet, low-traffic area so they feel safe using it. A clean litter box isn't just about hygiene, it's about dignity, security, and peace of mind for your cat. Number 8, share peaceful companionship without always touching. Sometimes, your cat just wants to be with you, not on you. They love the quiet presence of someone they trust, especially when there's no pressure to cuddle, play, or interact. So sit beside them, read a book, scroll your phone, or sip your coffee. Let them enjoy your calm, grounded energy, and don't reach out unless they ask for it. Cats thrive in peaceful companionship. It's a language of trust built through presence, not performance. It builds connection in a slow, steady, powerful way. Sometimes, love is silent, and that's beautiful. Number 9, respect their boundaries and speak in a soft, calm voice. Cats are incredibly sensitive to sound, touch, and mood. Loud voices, sudden movements, or overwhelming attention can make them anxious or cause them to pull away. Instead, approach with calm energy, speak softly, move slowly. If they walk away, let them. If they choose to come back, welcome them gently. Respecting their space tells your cat, I see you, I understand you, and that kind of emotional safety, it builds a bond deeper than any treat ever could. It teaches your cat that you're someone they can always trust, someone who listens without speaking and loves without pushing. Cats may not ask for much, but the little things you do mean everything to them. A soft voice, a quiet moment, a small act of love, it all speaks louder than words. When you meet your cat in those silent spaces, that's where true connection grows. So keep listening with your heart, and your cat will feel it every single day.